Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, I am here with my buddy. I have no idea where they just went. So let's see where they are. Okay, there they are. Hello. So with my buddy, I am just gonna tell them I'm recording. With my buddy, I'm gonna try finding scammers. Since I found one earlier, they said that they trade me, like if I traded them this scarecrow, then they would give me a green short. And I'm like, prove it then. And then they're just like, let's find those scammers. XD, okay. Yeah. I already found one. I don't know what happened to them, but, copycat gaming, okay. Oops, let's go. Come on. There we go. Made it. Okay. Okay. Where'd they go now? Okay, I almost fell off my chair. So that was so weird sound. Okay. There we go. I have no idea where they are. Coral Canyons. I don't know where they're going. But, let's see. Okay, so they're right here. Decent non-member items. I have some warrants. I don't know, guys. I'm just getting some trades. No thanks. Let's see. Why can't I find them? Did it. So this is probably not gonna work, but my spike worth head dress. So let's just see what people say. Trade me them beta for Eclipse. Oh, thank you. What for your seal? I'm just reading people's comments. Can I have some spikes? Seriously? Oh, okay, my voice cracked. Okay. But seriously? Actually, I have a feeling that this person might say yes. So, is my spike worth a necklace? XD. I don't know. People say yes. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video until someone says something. So, okay, guys, so you see this? Look, someone just said yes. Really? Okay. Really? Okay, I'm gonna ask again, but someone did say yes, so, I think it was this guy. It's my spike with the necklace. Okay. Let's see. No one's really saying anything now, but No. Okay, so this person said no. But I thought it was. Okay. This bike is worth a lot more. Okay, this person's being honest. That's good. Really? Like a necklace? This is just becoming funny now, so. My god. Okay. Necklace is worth nothing. But someone said they're worth black tongs. Okay, guys, so I might have just stopped. Okay. XD, I know my hairs. You're on vid. BTW. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, whoa, what is this elephant? This is just funny. XD. Okay, guys, moving on to the next location. Okay, guys, so I'm at the next location. I'm basically gonna say the same thing, so. Is my spike worth a necklace? I got tons of trades. Okay. Trade me non-member items for my member items. That's great. Okay. Okay, I'm scared now. I don't know why I'm scared, because I know it's a scam, so. Is my spike worth a necklace? I got tons of trades. Okay, guys. The moment of truth. There's more people coming in, so this might be good. Okay. Come on, someone just say something. Okay. Okay. So, no, not worth a necklace. Okay, someone's honest right here. Really? Someone said necklaces are worth 4 longs. Okay, guys, so. Okay. Okay. So this person's being honest too. Okay, now I'm gonna tell them I know my rares are. I know my rares. Oops, okay. Okay. 40. Okay, guys, so thank you for this falcon and this wolf for being honest, so TY for being honest. TY. Okay, moving on to the next location. Okay, guys, so this time I am in, Coral Canyon, so is my spike worth a necklace? Okay. I don't know how these people are gonna respond, so that's what scares me. Okay. Okay, so okay, okay, alright. I keep saying okay, which is really weird, but okay. How many times am I gonna say that? But yeah, so I'm gonna just wait till they answer, and then I'm gonna pause this video. So yeah, okay, guys. So nope, I don't think so. Okay, this person was being honest. That's good. I'm in a different location cause like, no, not at all. No. Okay, thank you. 3 of you for being honest. Really? Oops, okay, caps. Really? A lot has been saying yes. XD. Oh, okay, whoa. Sorry. Oh, thank you very much. Hi, I'm doing a necklace too long. Please help. I'll be nice enough to like just trade you what I just got. Okay. They're trying to scam. Really? What? No. XD. Fine. No. My list is worth the move. Okay, I think this person figured it out. Yeah, your spike is not worth the necklace. Okay, TY then. BTW. You're right. Heady. Totally not obvious. I'm recording. Okay, thank you then. You're right, totally not obvious. I'm XD. XDTY for being in this vid. Okay guys, so that's it for this video, and I haven't recorded in a while, so yeah. Say bye, I'm ending it. But yeah, I will try recording more often, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.